Hello, respected viewers and my beloved listeners. Welcome to my channel, Study with Me. We were listening to the postgraduate certificate course that is MNR 001. Last day, we listened to table 3.3 of section 3.4.3 of unit 3, block 1. Today we will go to the next part, that is next part has another table, that is table 3.4, which shows area, production and production of oilseeds in India. But I am unable to read it out because I cannot understand the table actually. So I'm sorry for that. It deals with mainly columns and rows, and first row is total oil seeds on bracket 9, next groundnut, next rapeseed and mustard, next soybean, next sunflower. Then each of these are divided into subparts like A, P, Y, and IA, and datas are given. Like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are in total 7 columns, and in each column a value is given. So I cannot exactly understand what these columns are, but the A stands for area in million hectare, P is production in million tons, Y equals to yield in kg per HA, and IA stands for percent irrigated area. This is given in the footnote, and source in the footnote says agricultural statistics at a glance 2006 to 7 DES Government of India. So I could have read out the datas, but I think that doesn't make sense because it is not clear actually that these columns are for what. I mean, for years or what? Maybe a line is missing or something has happened. So I'm sorry for this inconvenience, and I'm going to the next part, that is the paragraphs which describes the table. So that will be a better option. So let's go to the paragraph. Reports of accelerated area under oilseeds, particularly rapeseed and mustard, were made by various states. Oilseeds acreage went up by 17.13 million hectares. Rapeseed and mustard were sown in 7.28 million hectares, with the area under the crop rising especially in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Table 3.4. Sunflower is mainly grown in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka states. The total production of 9 major oilseeds, groundnut, castor, sesame, Niger, rapeseed and mustard, linseed, safflower, sunflower and soybean, was a high of 27.98 million tons. It exceeded the previous production of 24.75 million tons in 1998-99. The total groundnut production was 7.99 million tons. Sunflower production was only 1.44 million tons. Soybean production was at a new height of 8.27 million tons, as shown in table 3.4. The average annual growth rate of agriculture fell from more than 4% during 1992 to 92-93 to 1996-97 to less than 2% during the period 1997-98 to 2002 to 3, and it remained low. After reading through these paragraphs, we can understand that the columns of table 3.4 were about years, but as I said earlier, that the exact years are missing. I mean, maybe a row is not printed or something. So please bear with me for this much. Okay, now this part comes to the end of it. Now we have check your progress 1. Question 1. Discuss the changes in area production and productivity of wheat. Question 2. List out the possible factors playing important role in agricultural development.